Snow White didn't know the apple in her hand was dangerous. But let's start from the beginning. Long ago, in a beautiful kingdom surrounded by forests and hills, there lived a young princess named Snow White. She was called that because her skin was as white as fresh snow, her lips as red as roses, and her hair as dark as night. Snow White was gentle, kind, and loved by everyone in the palace, except one person. Her stepmother, the Queen, was very proud of her beauty. Every morning the Queen stood before a tall, glowing mirror and asked in a sharp voice, "Magic mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?"
You, my queen.
And the mirror always replied, "You, my queen, are the fairest of all." This made the Queen smile until one terrible morning. The mirror answered differently. "Snow White is fairer than you." The Queen's smile vanished, her heart filled with jealousy like dark smoke. Furious, the Queen ordered a huntsman to take Snow White into the forest and never let her return. Snow White trusted the man and followed him quietly. But when the time came, the huntsman could not do it. "Run, child," he said kindly.
Child.
Run far away and never come back." Snow White ran deep into the forest, tears falling as branches scratched her dress. As night came, she found a tiny cottage hidden among the trees. Inside were 7 small beds, 7 chairs, and 7 plates. Exhausted, Snow White curled up and fell asleep. That evening, the cottage owners returned, 7 dwarfs who worked in a diamond mine nearby. They were surprised to find a girl sleeping in their home. When Snow White awoke, she was frightened, but the dwarves smiled warmly. After hearing her story, they welcomed her to stay. Snow White cooked, cleaned, laughed with them, and filled the cottage with joy. For the first time in a long while, she felt safe, but far away in the castle. The Queen asked the mirror again, "Who is the fairest of them all?"
Who is the fairest?
The mirror replied,
Snow White is fairer.
"Snow White, who lives beyond the silver magical forest, is fairer than you." The Queen's jealousy turned into rage. Disguising herself as an old woman, the Queen prepared a shiny red apple. Beautiful on the outside, deadly on the inside, she travelled to the forest and knocked on the cottage door. Snow White hesitated, remembering the dwarf's warning about strangers, but the old woman smiled sweetly. "One bite won't hurt," she said. Snow White took a bite and instantly fell to the ground still as stone. The Queen laughed and disappeared into the night. When the dwarfs returned and saw Snow White, they cried in sorrow. They laid her gently in a glass coffin, unable to bury her because she looked as though she were only sleeping. One day, a kind prince passing through the forest saw Snow White. He had met her once before and never forgot her gentle heart. Moved by love and sadness, he leaned down and kissed her goodbye. At that moment, the magic broke. Snow White opened her eyes. The poison was gone. The forest seemed to sparkle again. The Queen's evil was soon revealed, and her power vanished forever. The magic mirror never spoke to her again. Snow White returned to the kingdom, wiser and stronger than before. She ruled with kindness, fairness, and gratitude, never forgetting the dwarfs who became her family. The kingdom celebrated with music, laughter, and joy. And Snow White lived happily ever after, not because she was the fairest, but because she was the kindest. Moral lesson: true beauty comes from kindness and humility. Jealousy destroys the heart, but goodness brings lasting happiness. The end.